So Cartizone is one of the pioneering companies in building a brand in Indian quick service restaurants. Most of the concepts in quick service restaurants in India are Western concepts brought in by multinationals, like in burgers or sandwiches or fried chicken. I think we are one of the early players who are building brands which are pan-India brands in Indian foods. And we started in 2004. Last 5 years we focused on one city, that is Bangalore, to establish our business model, the kind of formats that we'll expand with and things like that, and build a central manufacturing and efficient supply chain. And from this year onwards we started expansion beyond Bangalore, and Hyderabad is one of our first major cities for expansion. And as I mentioned, I think we already have 4 stores in Hyderabad. Our first major store that is getting launched right now is at Hyderabad Airport, which is at the departure level outside the departure gates. Our food is one of the ideal foods for people, for passengers, airline passengers, as a grab and fly kind of food. It is non-messy, it is very compact meal, it can be carried through security checks on board, it is completely non-messy to eat and easy to dispose of once you finish the food, and it is very healthy food. So I think these are ideal kind of characteristics for kind of food that airline passengers would want to eat, and therefore I think airports is one of the ideal locations for the brand. This is our second location at any airport in India. The first one was at Bangalore. We have big plans for Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh now that we have seen the initial success of the brand in Hyderabad. So right now our focus will be to grow the presence and footprint in Hyderabad, and then I think there are already inquiries that we get from tier 2 cities in Andhra Pradesh like Vizag and Vijayawada. So I clearly see going forward in next 2 to 3 years, I think we'll have a significant footprint in Hyderabad and also presence in some other cities in the state. As I said, our first 2 launches were in inside tech parks, because we wanted to sort of test out the market for our kind of food in Hyderabad, and the response has been pretty good. We do pretty well in the tech park kind of environments. Even in Bangalore, for example, we are present in 3 tech parks and 2 campuses. So it's again a great food for tech parks where there is 24/7 operations. So we just started. I think our second outlet was launched as recently as maybe 3 months or something, 2 or 3 months. So I think the initial response is good. I mean say that we are very positive based on what we have seen so far. So we have been present in Bangalore Airport for last 3 years. Okay. And we are one of the most significant brands at airport in Bangalore, outside. So we are not inside the security hold areas, we are outside, so our arrival gates. And in terms of volume of business, I think it's one of our most significant outlets, right? So clearly we realize that airports are an ideal location for our kind of food. So therefore we were looking for other airports, and Mr. Praveen helped us identify this location in last few months, and I believe that it will be a great kind of concept for people who are flying on budget airlines, where either on board or inside the security hold areas the food is very expensive. It's a quick service restaurant. So it's what we offer is primarily food. So the 3 main planks to me for quick service restaurant is quick service, it's consistent food. So whether you eat in Bangalore or Hyderabad or Bombay or wherever, Mumbai or wherever, I think it's the same consistent quality of food, and it is moderately priced. So these are the 3 main planks of QSR food. So this is the main service that we offer to customers.